If you want to make text appear one by one in CapCut, you're in the right place. This is a super useful effect for edits, captions, intros, and any video where you want your text to feel more dynamic and attention-grabbing. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step, and by the end, you'll know how to control the speed so the text reveals fast or slow, depending on your style. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut and start a new project, or open an existing one where you want to add your text. Once you're inside the editor, go to the text tool and add a text box to your video. Now type the full sentence you want on screen. This is important because the animation will work best when the entire phrase is already written out. You can make it a title, a caption, a short message, or even a full line of dialogue. After your text is typed, tap on the text layer itself so it becomes highlighted. When the text layer is selected, look for the animation option at the bottom of the screen and tap it. CapCut gives you different animation categories, but for this effect, you want to go to the In tab. The In tab is where you'll find animations that control how text enters the screen. Scroll through the available effects until you find one that makes the letters appear one by one. A common option is Type 1, which creates a typing style reveal that looks really clean and professional. Once you select the animation, your text should instantly start showing with that one by one effect. But the real magic is in the timing. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a duration slider. Use that slider to adjust how fast or slow the letters appear. If you move it shorter, the text will reveal faster. If you make it longer, the text will appear more slowly, which can give your video a more dramatic or cinematic feel. Take a moment to preview it and see how it looks with your video. If it feels too quick, slow it down a little. If it feels too slow, bring the duration down until it matches the pace of your edit. You can repeat this process for any other text layers you add, which is really helpful if you want multiple captions or headlines to appear in the same style. And that's really all there is to it. Add your text, type the full sentence, select the layer, go to animation, choose the In tab, pick an effect like Type 1, and use the duration slider to control the speed. It's a simple trick, but it makes a huge difference in how polished your videos look. If this helped you out, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more CapCut editing tips just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.